Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic that what is project performance domains as per the PMBOK Guide 7th edition. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMB in near future. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, PMBOK Guide 7th edition is basically focused on the outcome rather than the process. If we talk about the PMBOK Guide 6th edition, if we compare it, the 7th edition with the 6th edition was focused on processes, that how the things should be managed. However, in the 7th edition, the main focus is on the outcome, that what value you will get, what outcome you will get from the project. So this is the main difference as compared to the as compare of PMBOK Guide 7th edition with the PMBOK Guide 6th edition. This is a very major difference. 6th edition has the 10 knowledge areas, and the 7th edition has 8 performance domains. Performance domains are stakeholder, team performance, development approach, planning, work performance, delivery, measurement of performance domains, and uncertainty. So one by one we shall discuss this in detail. First one is the stakeholder performance domain. When a stakeholder performance domain is focused on the stakeholder that individual who are a group of a people with an interest or concern in the project. So basically friend, we knows that whenever we talk about a stakeholder, we are talking about persons who has a positive or negative interest in a project. Positive means that they are interested that they can get some value. Negative means they have fear that they can get some damage or impact about after the implementation of the project. So that is why they are called as positive or negative stakeholders. Stakeholder performance means that how will you manage the stakeholder, either they are internal or either they are external stakeholder. Internal means the stakeholder which are inside your organization, like project manager, the CTO, CO, like functional managers. And external means like the outside your organization, like the customer project manager, the operational manager, etc. So a stakeholder performance domains talks about the management of a stakeholder. Then team performance domains that it deals with individual who are the people responsible for doing the work to produce the required project deliverables. Like for example, the quality assurance team, the development team, the deployment team. So all those things which basically involved in your project, in the implementation of the project. So how you can deal with them, how you can build a team, how you can gain the confidence of your team so that they can trust on you, and how you can be successful by using your team. Then development approach and life cycle. Development approach and life cycle means that it deals with the approach of the development work and the order of activities throughout the project life cycle. Development approach means that friend, which approach you will use, like waterfall approach, agile approach, hybrid approach, which approach is useful. And also the project life cycle. Project life cycle means that every project goes through a different life cycle, like initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, then the closing. So it all deals about all those things. Then planning is the most important performance domains if we talk about in project management. It basically it deals with approaches in advance, what needs to be done, when it would be done, and how it would be done, and who is going to do what thing. It's all about planning, that if you can plan it properly, you can do it properly as well. It's a very popular phrase. So friend, planning is the most important domain in project management. Then project work performance domain. Project work for performance domain, it deals with the processes, frameworks and work execution, along with managing resources, both people and physical, while inculcating a conducive environment for learning and development. Then delivery performance domain. It deals with the processes to complete the deliverables and fulfill the project objectives, meeting both scope and quality requirements. When we all knows that whatever the project is going on, the main focus is the delivery. Delivery means, for example, a person wants to build a mobile application, a payment-based application. So with respect to the customer, the main important thing is the delivery. Delivery means the successful or quality product they need. That, for example, if he wants to build a mobile application, so the mobile application should be good, mobile application should be efficient, mobile application should be secure, mobile application should fulfill the customer requirement. So all those things are basically delivery performance domain, that a good thing should be delivered to the customer. Okay, uh, a proper thing. Then measurement performance domain means that it deals with the project performance and addresses deviation by taking appropriate action to meet the required performance. Basically, friend, for example, you have planned that the project should be completed in 5 months, for example. So basically you will evaluate the performance of the work, performance of the project. If there is any deviation, you can take the right action so that the project can get back on track. Uncertainty performance domain. Friend, uncertainty performance domain is basically talks about the uncertainty. Uncertainty means that uh, we talk about that uncertainty. When we talk about it, is basically talking about the risk factor. Risk factor means that any uncertainty, that you are not sure whether this thing will happen or not happen. If it happen, it may have a positive or negative impact on the project. Uh, for example, you are working on a marketing project and you have introduced for example, you have introduced a new model in the in your campaign, and you are not sure that people will like that new model in the campaign or not. If they like it, so it will become a positive impact. Okay, it will become an opportunity for you. If people don't like it, it will have a negative impact on the project and it will become a threat for you and it will become a failure for your organization. So basically, when we talk about uncertainty, uncertainty basically is a risk factor. As per the if we talk about PMBOK guide 6, uncertainty means the risk factor which has a positive, which is basically, you can say, uncertainty, not sure about the things what will happen, a gray area. So basically, and every risk has a positive or a negative impact on the project. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.